another video episode of Shout Me Loud, and this video is for all the YouTubers. Now, in my earlier videos, I've showed you how to make better videos, what's our workflow with the videos, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Sony A7 III to improve the workflow of your video recording. Now, in the earlier version, I was using a Nikon D5200, which had a viewer that I can reverse and I can watch myself while making a video. But that's a feature which is not available in Sony A7 III. And by the way, Sony A7 III video quality is amazing. And you can actually compare the video quality of this video with my earlier videos to see the difference. Well, for Sony, we actually have a free app which is available from Sony itself that you can use to watch yourself on your laptop while making a video. This improves the overall production flow and give you an idea of how you are looking in the camera itself. Especially if you're recording yourself solo, this is a huge saver. So to do this, there are 3 steps involved. The number 1 step is you need to connect your device, your camera, with your laptop using a USB-C type. You need to go to the Sony camera settings, and that's where you need to go to the briefcase and there select option that says remote PC. Well, when you do that, the third one is download the app, and the app is called Imaging Edge. It's by Sony. It's a free app available for both Windows and Mac, and you can download it and you can see like there are a lot of features here. You can record, you can also start and stop recording, you can make some changes in the main settings and sub settings while you are making the recording. This actually helps a lot in terms of recording, especially if you're also for the images. You can actually move these images to the edit part of this app and you can start editing the images itself. Now there is one thing that while you're recording, I'm still trying to figure out the easy way to transfer video from Sony to my laptop without changing the settings. So that's something which is still tricky, but overall, if you're looking a way to watch yourself while recording the video, well, this app is your solution. And do let me know how you like this video. Also, which camera are you using? If you're also a Sony A7 user, do give us a thumb and let us know in the comment section below. I will see you later. Bye bye.